So
Yeah.
first we are repeating this line.
Yeah.
This line is to be repeated in y direction.
Hmm.
So this y-axis direction, we will increase the number
Yeah.
to 2. If initially before that, if was active,
Yeah.
by default x-axis thing will be active in the linear sketch pattern tool.
Hmm.
To deactivate that, we will make it 1,
Okay.
and now we have to repeat in y direction.
Yeah.
So we make 2.
Okay.
uh, Now suppose the spacing is 0.005.
Okay.
We enter that.
Okay.
uh, it's not changing. Oh, I think they're rounding off. Okay, this is 2 repetitions.
Okay.
If we increase to 3,
Okay. Yeah,
likewise it
it's okay.
increases.
Good. Now
Now
we went downward.
we select that, and then to do downward again we will select
Now
linear
linear
sketch
sketch
pattern.
pattern. And the
Same y direction.
same.
First we will make x1 to activate y direction. Then now it's again in upward direction.
Yeah.
So to change direction, we click this arrow.
Okay.
So there also
Hmm.
maybe okay.
Okay.
We repeated for 4 times. Then press this. So this line we have repeated
Okay.
upwards and downwards. So similarly, this line.
X is already going the this one.
So we will
Okay. Okay. Good. Now coming. Okay.
maybe we'll do the next opposite direction also. For that,
Okay.
we'll click here. Then
Good.
do this.
Now we how we put.
Then what I did was that pause.